In this video, I'll show you how to make CapCut keyframes, of course using CapCut. So let's get started through the video. So the first thing you want to do is open your CapCut, and the next thing you want to do is you want to create a new project, or if you already have a project, stay on that. And right here we have the dashboard where we insert our effects, we insert everything. So you want to click on this thing and you want to insert a logo or something you want. So I'm gonna just insert the CapCut logo. If you want, you can add a background, but for me right now I don't need a background. You come here 16 by 9 and I can show you. So if I want to do a keyframe, I can just go to the start and click on this button. This button is you choose for anything, is a keyframe, is your start point. And I want to change that to make it zoom in the keyframe. I want to go 3 frames or 5, sorry. And I want to put the zoom lower, and it automatically will set the next keyframe for me. So you'll see it go like this. But let me just check this. I want to just add an effect and then zoom out, so it's gonna be bouncing, like that. And right here you can right click on it and you can click on this, and right here you can control how smooth the animations are. So you might want to come here, zoom out a bit. You might want to make it ASIN for this one, and right here ace out. It will look smoother. You can just do that for all of the curves. For this one, for all the curves that you have. I just have one. So as you see, if I exit and I hide this like that, it will go smoothly. So after this, I want to make it. I want to make a new. I want to add a new thing. So let me just delete this. I want to insert it again. So if I want to make this go to the left, from the left to the right, you can set a keyframe from the right, and I can make it go to the left. I think so. It's very slow as that. But if I want to make it faster, as you can see, drag it, sorry, and I'll make it faster. If I will also do the same thing to make it smoother, I can make this one ace out, and that's all. So it will look like this. It will go smoother, but it's not very smooth since we don't have a lot of keyframes and we didn't do much work. I could change it and make it smoother. So that's how you want to do it. It's better if you make it faster, since the animations will look better and cooler and be understandable. So come here, see, the thing is not solid smooth, but it goes fast and it stops. This is the power of ace out. I just like ace out and ace in. A tip that I will give you is the first thing you want to do is you want to do ace out and after ace in. So if I make a keyframe right now, this keyframe, let's say it will go back. So it's like that. It goes from X to Y. You want to make this ace in. So first I want to go ace out and then ace in. So now it looks smooth, stops, and it goes fast. And that's if you want to make something an animation for a kick. And there's a lot of stuff that you could choose, but I recommend making it very smooth. So for keyframes, also there's more stuff you could do. You could do blend mode and you could do opacity. Almost everything has a keyframe in here in CapCut. And also you can do chroma key. You could do much more stuff about keyframes in here. Animations, you can also do animations if you're not willing to do keyframes, but keyframes could be more smoother.